Hello, pleased to inform you that we received our brand new KANSUN industrial swing machine with thread trimmer, back tack, automatic foot lifter. This is the updated model. It comes with closed oil pan. We fill up the oil inside the head. The lower part is empty completely. It's all here. The oil is here, is protected for no leak completely. It's, as I said, it's with thread trimmer. The difference from the old one to this one, there is no dial. The dial is electronically here, and there is no lever for the back tack. The back tack, we use the switch here or the pedal, push it back. Again, it's silent motor. It speaks. The adjustment of the stitch, we can do it from here. Now it's 3.5 millimeters. We can adjust or reduce from here. And the speed we can adjust to 3,700 and decrease to 500, 600.
Decelerate.
Very smooth to use on many materials, thick, thin. This is the automatic back tack. If you want to use the back tack in the middle, for instance, you put this one. And we have half stitch here to do the corners. If you want to attach the label or something, so you have system of label. It's the rectangular one. And the adjustment, you can adjust all the back tack, simple back tack, one step, two step. It's very accurate machine. It's reliable, guaranteed for 1 year, all parts included. Underneath there is nothing. You can add a foot lifter with knee, manual type, if needed. The price is reliable. Again, I will show you from inside the machine.
Sewing machine turnover protection.
Perfectly manufactured. All parts are available for after repair service. Of course, we have the old ones too. Not the old one normally, the previous one. The price is more cheaper, of course. So our address is 3181 Boulevard, Lévesque West, Chomedey, Laval. Opening hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 2 p.m. and Saturdays with appointment. Thank you. You're welcome.